Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're pitting two robotic vacuums against each other in a battle for your floors. On the left, we have the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum, and on the right, the MAM Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Get ready for a showdown. First up, let's talk about the elephant in the room, price. The Shark AI Ultra will set you back a cool $599. Meanwhile, the MAMZEV combo comes in at a budget-friendly $196. For the price of one Shark, you could practically start an army of MANV bots. But does higher cost mean better cleaning? Or is it just a vacuum with a superiority complex? Let's find out. Next, let's talk suction power. The Shark boasts incredible suction that could probably suck the wrinkles out of your grandma's old curtains. It promises to tackle the toughest messes and even has a self-cleaning brush roll. Meanwhile, the MAMZEV's 1,400 pascals suction is no slouch either, but it might struggle with anything more challenging than a breadcrumb party. So if you have a pet that sheds like it's going out of style, Shark might be your new best friend. Reviewers have noted that Shark's suction is particularly effective on pet hair and dust, while MANV does a good job with surface-level messes. Shark takes convenience to the next level with its self-emptying base that can hold up to 60 days of dirt and debris. That's right, folks, 2 months of not having to think about vacuuming. The MAMZEV, on the other hand, makes you do the dirty work. You'll have to empty it yourself, which, let's face it, is a chore no one wants. Shark wins this round by a landslide, or should I say a dirt slide. Reviewers appreciate Shark's self-emptying feature, but mention it can be quite loud. Now, let's talk about mopping. The MAMZEV is a 2-in-1 wonder, with a 230 milliliters electric water tank that promises even penetration. No jokes here, keep it clean, people. It's perfect for hard floors like laminate, ceramic tiles, and even granite. Shark, on the other hand, only vacuums. So if you want your floors to shine like the top of the Chrysler building, MAMZEV's got your back. Reviewers have praised MAM's mopping feature as a highlight, particularly for hard floors. Both vacuums come with smart features, but let's see who outsmarts who. Shark uses 360 degrees LiDAR vision to map your home with the precision of a guided missile. It can detect and avoid objects, adapt to changes, and even respond to voice commands via Alexa or Google Assistant. MAMZEV also flaunts smart app and voice control, but it's like comparing Tony Stark to a guy with a flip phone. Shark's tech is next level. Reviewers laud Shark for its advanced mapping and navigation, though they also appreciate MAM's ease of use and app features. Battery life showdown. The MAMZEV boasts a 100-minute runtime, which is pretty impressive for a budget bot. Shark, however, has an extended runtime with a recharge and resume feature. It goes back to its dock, recharges, and picks up right where it left off. It's like the Energizer Bunny on steroids. So if you have a mansion or just a lot of carpets, Shark's got you covered. Reviewers note that Shark's battery life and recharge feature are particularly useful for larger homes. Reviewers generally find the Shark AI Ultra to be a high-performing vacuum with excellent suction power and convenient features like self-emptying and advanced navigation, though they mention the app could use improvements. On the other hand, the MAMZEV Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is praised for its affordability, effective mopping function, and ease of use, though it may struggle with more challenging tasks. So there you have it, folks. If you want a budget-friendly option that mops and vacuums, MAMZEV is your guy. But if you're looking for a high-tech, pet hair annihilating beast that empties itself and can navigate your home like a pro, Shark is worth the splurge. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy shopping. Product links are in the description.